Hello everyone! In this video, we will look at a setting that will improve your internet stability, resulting in increased speed. Type ncpa.cpl in the search, then press Enter or open network connections using another method. In the list of your network connections, select the one you are using, usually Ethernet, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on Configure. This will open another window where you need to make a few changes. In the Power Management section, make sure that the option Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unchecked. This is not a mandatory setting, but I recommend it to avoid problems with internet disconnection. Next, go to the Advanced section. Scroll down and find the Speed and Duplex parameter. Here you need to select a value depending on your internet speed. If it is less than 100 megabits per second, select 100 megabits per second full duplex. And if it is more than 100 megabits per second, 200, 500, 600, etc., select 1 gigabit per second full duplex. You can check the speed on the speed test website. After that, apply the changes and restart your computer. You will definitely notice a difference in internet performance, though perhaps not immediately. I hope this video was useful to you. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.